Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we are introducing the BZW-40TS Servo large terminal crimping machine, engineered for large square terminal applications. The BZW-40TS is a new servo-motor crimping machine that supports changeover between applicators to suit different terminal types. It integrates an advanced servo motor and PLC control system for accurate and stable crimping performance. Applicators are made of imported high-quality steel for long durability. We are now demonstrating crimping on a 50mm square sample wire. The system supports multi-parameter storage and sequential crimping. Here's a 120mm wire being crimped. The BZW-40TS has stable performance, large crimping force, and built-in overload protection. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to BOZWANG for more product demos.